this Kosas Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another date night, but we're also going to be featuring the new Natasha Denona Yucca Palette. I think it's the Yucca Palette. So I just got this baby today. I was really lucky. So I'm going to be going through, like, just speeding through the prep and all the other foundation and everything else, and then we're going to just like really spend a lot of time on just the eyeshadow look. Look at these nails. They're so pretty. And then look what Sephora sent me. They just like sent me random gifts for being rouge. I guess they're doing it for a lot of people, but oh my gosh, you guys, this fan is amazing. Primer from Cali Ray is like really good. It's the So Blown Clean Blurring Primer with collagen peptides. It smells like oranges and it freaking feels so nice on the skin. My skin feels all nice and like has a powder finish, but it feels really smooth, like the Hourglass primer, but this is cheaper and I like it better. Makeup Forever HD Skin Matte Velvet. Always a game changer, always the best. So I'm going to be brushing this Sweetie Pie. This is an old but a good Too Faced cleanser all over just for sun-kissed glow. This is the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Dark Spots Concealer and Serum. It has a brush that is on top that you can use to blur it in. I hate the brush. It's really hard and it hurts, so we won't be using that. Like barely any lines, and it's still setting. I just love that stuff so much. All right, we're gonna set the face with this Kosas
We have a problem. We have a problem. Ladies and gentlemen, we have problems.
What the fuck? Yeah, this is what's left. That's literally bullshit.
Done.
Like absolute fucking bullshit.
I repeat.
Anyway, I'm not letting that put a damper on shit for me. Gonna set the face with it anyway. I'm using it. So yeah, setting the face with this crumple of cereal. Expensive $35 cereal. But anyway, now we're gonna use the Tarte Sculpt Tape. I've never gotten to use this yet. I got this in Cool Bronze. I can just tell you that now. It's a little bit more watery and the consistency isn't as easy to blend, so yeah, just not as good. Won't be repurchasing. Bake with the Morphe Bake and Set Brightening Pink Powder. But let's get into this beautiful palette. Box is off. I just love the way that looks. It's just like a gradient of color. So here it is in all of her beauty. I really love it. Calethea. Yeah. And I'm going to be kind of like swiping up because I want more of like a slanted up type of look. I don't want one that's down. I want to like kind of shape my eyes up a bit. Let me dust off my little bakeage. Alright, I'm going to be using the Armani Luminous Silk Glow Blush in Ecstasy. I freaking loved this. I saw Babs Beauty use this one and I had to get it. It's so small, but my god, is it potent. It's like just that perfect rosy peach iridescent glow. I'm just going to use my fingers to show you guys. That is just so freaking pretty. Alright. Use citrine. And we're kind of blend it together with the Calathea, whatever. See? It's like a nice pop of like greenish yellow. And then another color I'm gonna put in is the Willow. I'm going to kind of like blend that in here as well. Alright, so now we're going to be putting on this very sharp green, and I think I'm going to spray my brush for it. I really love the lime green that they're using in this. So first we're going to go in with this. I was not expecting this to be so good. Look at that. Oh, so beautiful. Alright, so now we're going to use one of these sparkly colors over top. Look at all these beautiful sparkly colors. Which one? I'm going to use the Maquia one right here. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Okay, so I'm gonna use like one little bit like underneath the eye. Which one? I'll use the Flax. That one right there. This is the Ever Loving Amrezi, however you say it, highlight. That is just so beautiful. One of the most beautiful highlights I've ever seen. Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Pencil. It has little furs in it that I like. It makes your eyebrows look awesome. And we're just going to brush it up with the Fluff and Hold Too Faced. There we go. Look how fluffy it makes them. It just like does such a good job. So we are going to do the mascara. I'm not putting falsies on. Guys, Revitalash. I have been using that stuff. I've used every single kind of eyelash serum there is out there, and Revitalash has done it for me. So if you are trying to grow your eyelashes, don't get anything else but Revitalash. Like, look at my lashes. Those are my natural lashes, just with this telescopic L'Oreal telescopic lift, which is extremely good, by the way. Before anybody says it, no, I'm not sponsored by Revitalash. I'm not sponsored by anybody. This is all me. We will be finishing on here. And so yeah, there's the lashes done with the Revitalash, like the Revitalash serum I was talking about, and then that's the telescopic mascara from L'Oreal. So I think all we have left to do is just the lips. This is the Foxy Brown from Charlotte Tilbury. It's Fenty Riri Velvet Liquid Lipstick. So yeah, this is what the packaging looks like. It's got the Fenty on, which I love. The color. The color is so beautiful. That glides on like silk. All right, let's spray our face. We are all done, besides my hair, obviously. On my chest too. Oh my gosh, this is the best contraption I've ever had. Mediocre. I'm going to do my hair real quick, and then I will show you guys my dress, because I gotta put it on, because I'm not wearing this out. No. So, yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, here is the dress that I got. I just love it so much. And then there's the back. It's got like pink and then like the fluorescent green on the outside, and I love it. And then the makeup, of course. And let's go back here so I can show you all my shoes. Also from Fashion Nova. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna go out with my hubby to this new place, this new Greek place we've never been to, and it's very fancy. Oh, let me show you what I'm going to be wearing. I'm gonna be wearing the light cherry, or the Tom Ford Lost Cherry. Holy crap. I can tell I'm like running late. Alright, so I'm gonna be wearing that. It's worn. And I hope you guys like this makeup. I hope you guys liked the tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed the outfit showing, and I will of course show pictures from the date. And I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.
Wake up and I'm like, hey yo, we're going to like Miami or something. On Friday, it'll just disappear. Go back, we'll tell the kids we'll be back on Sunday. This is just.